This year's fourth quarter sale is coming to an end. You'll be glad to know that $9.12 billion were spent on e-commerce during the Black Friday sale last month. So, in this video, I'll show you the top 5 winning products that you can dropship now and in 2023. I will also give you sales statistics and information about product trends on TikTok so that you can go ahead and sell them yourselves. So let's begin. Number 1. Heating jackets. The self-heating jacket is a winter product, and since it is winter, it is the best time to sell it. The best feature of this jacket is that it solves a problem by keeping you warm all day. If you work outside in the winter, this is the best item to keep you warm. Let me now demonstrate how this product has become extremely popular and viral on TikTok. Let's look at this company's TikTok page. As you can see, they have viral videos and have only been posting for about a week, so this trend is still fairly new and you should jump on it as soon as you see it. So, as you can see on their website, they are selling for $90, which is again quite pricey for TikTok. Because this jacket has an internal heating system, consumers may perceive it to be worth more. Therefore, I believe that since people would anticipate paying more, it would be easier to sell. And if you look at the AliExpress page, you'll see that its price is $32.16 with free shipping. You can ship it for $32.16 and sell it for $90. That's a $58 profit per order, and there are a number of different colors that can be offered. However, I would only advise doing a maximum of 3 colors because sometimes customers are simply unsure of what they want. You don't want to give them too many options. Let's analyze this shop's revenue now. As you can see, this store has made nearly $5,000 in sales, which is quite good. Here, you can see that this is getting regular sales, which is fantastic, so you should consider dropshipping this product. Number 2. Headache Hat. Headache Hat is my personal favorite dropship product because it solves a common problem: headache. Everyone experiences headaches occasionally as a result of their stressful lives, so people will undoubtedly want to try this product to resolve this common issue. The best thing about this product is, you can store this cap in the fridge or freezer, and when a headache hits, the expert-grade gel capsules inside the mask retain the cold temperature to provide you with 360 degrees of cooling relief. Now, let's analyze this brand, which is the Rafreezy. As you can see, their video product is going viral on TikTok, indicating that people adore it. They are selling this product for $29.95 on their website, and it has a 5-star rating, which is fantastic. And if you look at this product on AliExpress, it is only selling for $11.92 with free shipping. And you can dropship it for $30, which means you can easily earn a profit of $18, which is a great profit for this product. Now, let's look at this store's revenue. As you can see, it made $702 in the last 24 hours and more than $27,000 this month, which indicates that this item is an excellent option for dropshipping. Before I move on to the third product, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Many of you watch our content but do not subscribe. We work really hard for you, so please subscribe now. Number 3. LED car light sign. This product is unique and interesting. You can use it to display your message on the back of your car. The best part about this product is that you can connect it to your phone and change the LED design from your phone. Let's examine this Squareblock brand page on TikTok right away. As you can see, this brand has 1.8 million likes and the majority of its videos are viral, indicating that this product is doing well because it is a unique product that is unknown to many people. If you look at this brand's website, you will see that they are selling this product for $60, but if you look at similar product prices on AliExpress, you will see that it is only $28.39, which means you can make nearly $32 in profit. Now, let's look at this brand's revenue. As you can see, this brand made $239 in the last 24 hours, and if you look at monthly sales, this store has made more than $12.50K, which is a great revenue. If you dropship this product, you can also earn a lot of money. Number 4. Finger Stretcher. This product is an excellent tool for exercising and strengthening the muscles in your fingers. All you need to do is grip it in your hand and use it. Now, let's look at this brand on TikTok. Its name is GripBuddy. As you can see, many of its videos go viral, indicating that this brand is doing well. If you go to this brand's website, you'll notice that they sell finger stretchers for $15. If you look at the same product on AliExpress, you'll notice that it's easily available for $3.37, which means you can earn more than $11.50 profit by dropshipping it, which is fantastic. Now, let's look at this shop's revenue. As you can see, this product made $74.95 in the last 24 hours and $2,348.44 in the previous month. Guys, you may be thinking that this revenue is low, but keep in mind that the product value is only $15, which clarifies why these figures are low. However, at this price, the monthly revenue on this product is quite good. Number 5. Glow-in-the-dark soccer ball. It's similar to a reflective/glow-in-the-dark soccer ball, and this is a great product to sell now because it is Christmas time as well as World Cup soccer, and toys are doing extremely well right now. Let's take a look at this product on TikTok. I chose the brand Brightsport for this product. As you can see, this brand's videos have millions of views, indicating that it is a popular item to sell at the moment. If you go to their website, you will see that they are selling this product for $31.47. If you look at similar products on AliExpress, you will notice that this type of product is available for $19.27, which means you can easily earn $12 by dropshipping on this product. Let us now analyze the store revenue. As you can see, this store made more than $3K in the last 24 hours and more than $100K in the previous month. Guys, this store has made a lot of sales, which means it's a hot selling product right now. As a result, if you dropship this product, you can also make a lot of money. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel.